tail, little paws leaving snowy trails, whiskers twitch in the winter chill, curled up tight on the windowsill, purring softly in the glow. Candles flicker, tongues of snow, eyes that glisten bright and wise, magic hidden in disguise. Sleigh bells ring and cats meow, chasing shadows round and round. Stockings hung with care and grace, tiny whiskers warm place. Ornaments hang just in reach, paws are quick and hearts they teach. Playful pounce a silent spring, catching dreams on angel wings. By the fire cats unite, whiskered whispers in the night. Silent paws on wooden floors, curled up dreams at chimneys' doors.